welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger message request not showing. First of all, go ahead and open your Messenger app, then go to your menu and then go to settings and then go to message requests. Go tap your profile and then here you'll see the message request option, and go ahead and then swipe to spam instead of you may know, and then see if there are message requests over there. If there is not any, then go to your app store and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. After that, safety tip: be careful opening unknown message requests. Quick fix: log out and in to refresh your inbox, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.